Guys, I wanted to share this with you. I updated Photoshop and there's these neural filters, and I wanted to show you what it does to my face because I was like really worried that it was gonna be scary good, but it is not. Okay, here's happiness. Can't wait. Maximum happiness. No happiness. What the heck? Okay. Maximum surprise. What? No surprise, which is what? I'm not sure what no surprise is, but high or something. Okay. Anger. Looks the same as surprise. And what happened to my lips? Okay. No anger, which I guess is happiness. Okay. Now you gotta see this aging thing. So this aging thing. We'll go to youngest. He just messes with my hair, really. Oldest. Yep. Apparently I'm a bottle blonde when I'm old. Now the gaze thing is... Oh god. Okay. Let's do gaze. Let's look all the way to the left. What? Right? Oh. Oh, that's not bad. I guess. I haven't seen that one before, actually. Head direction. This one. Okay, left. Right. I hope you've enjoyed that. Oh my god, I can't. I can't. It's so ridiculous. I'm gonna leave it, I think.